Barium enema. Introduction. Can you point to the colon? Choose one of the following options. Correct. The colon is located at the end of the intestines, just before the rectum. The length of the test depends on how fast the barium goes through. Select true or false. Correct. The length of the test depends on how fast the barium goes through. X-rays are very safe for pregnant women. Select true or false. Correct. X-rays are not safe for unborn children. You should tell your radiology staff about even the most remote possibility of pregnancy. A pregnancy test can be performed in case you are not sure. The barium dye used in this test could possibly leak around the bowels and cause severe inflammation. Select true or false. Correct. This is rare, but it can be serious. A surgical procedure may be needed to deal with the perforation. This complication could potentially lead to death. The barium dye used in this test could possibly cause an upset stomach. Select true or false. Correct. An upset stomach could happen. Allergic reactions to latex are very common. Select true or false. Correct. Allergic reactions to latex are rare. Thank you for using Explain.